Hey sisters, welcome back to another video. So American, sorry Americans, like Americans and British people, we don't have the accent Americans do. Like, who cares about that? Cause no one cares. Y'all could just come from us. That's why we don't call it Americanish, cause we won the war. My fat ugly cat just went downstairs. Great bitch. Big sexy shark is not here right now. He's at the dentist's, got them big sexy teeth. Them big sexy teeth pulled out so he could be more sexier. So he could be the proper sugar daddy. I'm sorry. There you go, sisters.